Look at this US Swiss on the 4-hour. We have a pattern forming right now, and then as it unfolds, they post images of their entries and so forth. There's a very specific system and method that we teach, so it can be learned. The patterns, the signals, and the profit targets are very specific. It's the same redundancy trade after trade, so it becomes second nature. And I guess the most important aspect of this is having a team of individuals that are there to help guide and answer questions as well as I am as well, okay, in the forum. Okay, now what we're looking at here, let me just talk about this pattern that completed here just real quick. And again, this was discussed during the formation of this white candle right here, that we had completed the stop hit pattern and a pending order was set to enter here with the stop here and the target here. Okay, that's what was discussed in the forum. And then the market pulls back, takes the entry, and off we go. Now, so I guess what I'm getting at is that I'm not showing you a hindsight move. We don't do that at all. I'm not going to teach you what could have been. Okay, I show you as it happens. All right, and we go through our charts. You guys are going to see, when you're a member, you get to see my live charts. You will see other members' charts as they post and discuss certain aspects of the system. Okay, so, and it's not a difficult system. Okay, it's going to take effort and time on your part. However, just like anything, if you want to become an expert, you have to practice. All right, so, and that's what we're here to do, is to help guide you through the learning process. All right, so this is a stop hit. Let me just talk about this real quick, and then we'll move on. The market bounces once, twice, and you got to remember, when there's a bounce that forms, in this case, as the market moves off to the downside, a lot of folks entered this, right? And they put their stop loss order right above there. Okay, the market pushes back, we fall off again. This is a second opportunity for those traders to go short that missed the first opportunity. So they do the same thing, they sell, they put their stop order here, and then finally what happens, the market pushes up. And I want you to think about what this candle, this black candle right here, looked like during its formation. Well, it opened here, and at some point it was a large white candle that was breaking out. Okay, so this is a trickery move that generates orders. Okay, first of all, what's happening? The stops that were placed here and here are wiped out. Okay, the market takes those orders. Okay, we have a bullish white candle breaking out. You have breakout traders that are going to trade this. They're going to go long right here, and they're going to put their stop just beneath the breakout level here. As the market pushes back to the downside, those stops are wiped out. Okay, so we've gathered all these stop loss orders here, here, from the breakout traders, and finally you have the momentum of the follow-through with the traders that actually do what we do and wait for the market to show itself. There it is. The stop hit pattern is complete with this signal right here, this bearish engulfing, and that's when we jump on, and that's what perpetuates the move to the downside. Okay, so it's just that simple. And every single one of our patterns that we teach will show you that the market moves this way. Okay, by trickery. Okay, that's what they're all developed around. The whole idea that there's areas where the market becomes very active, very liquid. There's a lot of orders being taken up at those trickery spots, and we wait for that to happen, show its hand, and then we jump on. Okay, with a very specific risk-reward setup that we teach as well. Okay. Okay, welcome back everyone. Our 2 times profit target was reached as the market pushes right down through this level of support, this bounce level that we had marked right here. Now, one key characteristic of this system is going to be the risk reward. All right, we set up our trades. If you have followed us for some time, you'll already know this, but if you're new here, I want to explain a position and how we set up our trades. All right, so that you're not confused. When we set up a trade, we set the entry and the stop loss for the same monetary value every single time. And we do that by using a spreadsheet that we provide you that will tell you based on how much value you want to place on that. So let's just assume for a minute we're going to place a $100 value we stand to risk $100 with every single trade. It's going to be the same. By entering this into the calculator, the spreadsheet, you'll have access to just real quick look at how many pips is my stop loss, what pair am I trading, and follow it over, and it will show you exactly what position size to open, okay, so that your stop loss will be equal to $100, okay? That is going to be one position, all right? If you lose this trade, you're going to be down one position. If you win this trade, it's 2 times profit. You're going to be plus 2 positions. So with every single trade, we set the trade up and we walk away. Okay, this removes all emotion. It removes you don't have to think about anything. All you have to do is learn the patterns, learn the system, learn the entries, and that's it. You enter the position and you walk away. You've taken the trade. You don't have to think about, where am I going to get out of this? Do I need to change this? Should I pull out now? Do I need to trail my stop? Whatever. You don't have to do that. And when you do it the way that I'm showing you, you're going to either lose one position, which is going to be the value of your stop. Okay, let's assume that a position is $100, or you're going to gain 2. And if you have a stop loss of 100, what is times 2? 200. So you'll gain 200, or you're going to lose 100 with every single trade. Now, with this system, on the 4-hour time frame for 2016, this system is profitable 700. It was profitable 776 positions. Okay, that averaged 64.5 positive positions monthly for the course of 2016. So to determine what your profit would have been had you traded this method on the 4-hour time frame in 2016, the average would be whatever your stop loss order is times 64.5 average per month. Okay, it's that simple. The method is a very specific method, and it removes all emotion from the market. You don't have to stress, okay? You just set the position up and you walk away.
Wow.